Sorting materials into groups. Objects around us. Think of all the objects that you can see around you in your home, in your school, on the way to school, to the market, on the playground. What do you see? You will see that they are made of different kind of objects which are made of different materials, shapes. Some are edible, some are non-edible. That is, some can be eaten or some cannot be eaten. You can see the objects. Now see the objects around you in your home. Make a list of things you see in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the bedroom, living, dining room. Group them into objects which are edible, non-edible, materials which are made of metal, plastic, transparent objects, non-transparent objects, things made of plastic or wood. You can see in this picture there is a toy, a bottle, spoon made of steel, glass made of steel, cup which is made of china ware, a watch. And we see in the next picture a chair made of wood and then a chair made of plastic. In this we can see a furniture which is made of wood, and in the next picture we can see the table which is made of glass. Table 1. Kitchen. Objects found here: plate, spoon, tiffin box. The plate is made of steel, glass, plastic. Similarly, for chair, plastic, steel or wood. So you can make a list, add more and fill the table 1. Objects in classroom. You must be aware of the things in your classroom. Make a list of these objects and group them as you did for objects that you use in your home. Make a list of common materials. You have to add more materials in column 1 that you know. Now try to think of everyday objects you know that are made mainly of these materials and list them in column 2. Yes, you can see in this table, wood is used for making chair, table, plow, bullock cart and its wheel. Similarly, paper can be used in many things, for making books, notebooks, newspaper, toys, calendar and so on. Leather can be used for making shoes, sofa belt, your school bags and so on. So you can have plastic, cotton and glass. Different objects made of the same material. What do you come to know from the above 2 tables? We come to know that objects around us are made of the different materials and the same material can be used to make different objects. Properties of materials. Now what decides which material is to be used for a particular object? Well, the property of the material is used to determine what is to be used. For example, you can see in this figure, the girl is trying to pour some water in a cloth bag, but it is coming out. So, definitely we cannot have a cloth bag to contain water. Instead, we can make use of steel, plastic or glass to make a tumbler. Appearance. Materials look different from each other. Wood appears different from iron. Iron appears different from silver or aluminium. Copper appears different from gold. At the same time, they may appear the same due to certain properties. Iron, copper, aluminium may have a similar property. Let us see what. In this, we will collect certain pieces of different material: wood, paper, cardboard, copper wire, aluminium sheet, chalk. Now, do they have a shiny appearance? Separate out the shiny materials into the one group. Shiny materials. Now each of the material are cut. What do you see? Some of these freshly cut materials show shine or luster. Include these in the group of shiny materials. Metals that have shine. Materials that have such luster are usually metals, iron, copper, aluminium, gold. These are examples of metals. Metals often lose their shine, they become dull. This is because they come in contact with air and moisture. So, when we cut these metals, we see at the cut surface a shine, and so we can find out it is a metal. Thank you.